Hi guys, just got this new Fitbit Inspire 2, an upgrade version of the Fitbit Inspire and the Fitbit Inspire HR. Just released today, the 25th of September 2020, and I pre-ordered this one last week. And I'll show you what's inside the box, and first I'll show you what's the box look like. Inside of the box, it says here the battery will last up to 10 days. Unlike the older version, the battery will last only for 5 days. And there's a strap included inside, a small and a large strap. Okay, and that's the back of the box. It says that there's 24/7 heart rate and active zone minutes. It's sleep tracking and sleep scores, call text, and application notification. Okay, and now we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, it's a Fitbit sign here. Okay, there your tracker. This strap's so soft, like silicone. It's nice. There the sensor, your heart rate sensor there, and the contact pin for your charging. Okay, and look what's inside of this. There's your manual. Okay, there's different kind of languages. And you see there's Chinese there, and of course English. There you have the charger. You can charge this one in a computer, laptop, or in a TV. If there's you have the USB charging port. And now we'll open this one then. Let's tear this one here. And there's the strap. You can change this one if the size is not doesn't fit. So you can just there's a small lock here. Just press this one then okay, there you go. There you go. And you can put on this one then. Just press this. Press the small pin here. There you go. Okay. See, here is your charging cable. It's not that long. It's kind of nearly 1 foot in length. And there's your 2 pin there. And we'll try to put this on. If you can hear a snap, that's it. And kind of secured. You can charge it in your personal computer, your laptop, or in your TV if there's a USB port in there. And if you want to take this off, just press a little bit either on the top or in the bottom. That's it. It's very easy. And now we'll try to put in how it looks like. It's very light on your wrist, and it's very comfortable. It's silicone, it's very nice, so soft. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.